months after its controversial opening, the clock is now ticking for Florida to shut down the immigration detention facility known as Alligator Alcatraz. A federal judge in Miami ruling late Thursday night that the work on the facility has to be stopped and those detainees have to be transferred elsewhere within 60 days. NewsNation's Ryan Bass is in Florida with those details. I mean, Ryan, talk about a major setback for both the Trump administration and Governor DeSantis.
Yeah, I mean, Markie, this is a major blow for both the president and Florida Governor Ron DeSantis. This really was President Trump's signature project, highlighting his immigration crackdown, especially in the Sunshine State. Now, Judge Kathleen Williams, she was an Obama appointee from 2011. She is the one that ruled that both the state and federal governments violated the National Environmental Policy Act, which requires a full environmental review before any major federal construction project can move forward. The ruling puts a stop to all construction. It orders fencing, lights, generators, all to come down. It blocks any new detainees from being brought in and requires those that are already there to be moved by October 20th. Now, we still don't know the exact number that are being held at Alligator Alcatraz, but we have an idea of where many could end up. Last week, Governor Ron DeSantis rolled out plans for a second state-run immigration detention center, which he's calling Deportation Depot, and it'll soon open at a state prison near Jacksonville.
We're taking yet another step in supporting the important mission that President Trump was elected to implement in securing the border, enforcing immigration laws, and removing illegal aliens who are in our society now and sending them back to their home country. We have done more on this than any other state by a country mile.
Now, Markie, even though the state runs the facility, Judge Williams ruled that the Alligator Alcatraz facility specifically is still bound by federal environmental law because it uses federal money and it follows those ICE guidelines as well. She made it clear you can't run it like a federal project and then claim that it is not one, Markie.
Yeah, but Ryan, is this the end of the road for Alligator Alcatraz or not? Because something tells me they're not going to just start packing the facility up immediately.
Yeah, that this isn't going to be closed up, tomorrow morning, if you will, Markie. I mean, the state wasted no time. They have already moved to appeal this ruling by Judge Williams. And this is just a preliminary ruling as it stands right at this moment. This means, again, the fight is not over from Florida officials and from the federal government. It'll keep playing out in court. Florida's also expected to push for the injunction to be put on hold while it appeals as well. And by the way, this isn't the only legal battle that this facility is facing. One lawsuit claims the detainees aren't even getting proper access to their attorneys. A separate judge sided with the state and Justice Department lawyers, saying that because the camp sits in Collier County, Florida, parts of the case are going to be moved to Florida's Middle District. So that could actually shift when we actually get a ruling here, too. It could actually slow it down, Markie. So there's a lot going on with Florida. Florida's Alligator Alcatraz, don't expect it to close up immediately. There's a lot to sort out here.
Yeah.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe below and download our NewsNation app right now on your phone, and you will get fact-based, unbiased news for all Americans.